Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to see news in TradingView. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you'll want to open the chart for the specific symbol you're interested in. Let's say, for instance, you're following Apple's stock. So you'd open up your trading platform and pull up the chart for AAPL. Now, shift your focus to the right-hand toolbar on your trading platform. What you're looking for is the news icon, which might look like a small page or document symbol. Once you've located this icon, go ahead and click on it. By doing so, you will instantly access the latest headlines that are directly relevant to the stock symbol you've chosen. This feature allows you to stay updated with any developments or breaking news that could potentially affect the stock's performance. To take this one step further and have the news directly integrated into the chart as events, all you have to do is right-click on the chart area to bring up a context menu. From this menu, navigate to the Settings option. Once in the Settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Events. Click on this to delve into more specific configurations that relate to the visible events on your chart. Look for an option named Latest News within this section. Enabling this feature will allow the news events to be visually marked on your chart, providing a chronological context of headlines in relation to historical and current price movements. And that's it. So that is how you can see news in TradingView. So that's all for this video. Thanks.